Interior of the kidney, interior structure, histology বলা হয়েছে tomorrow there is a lecture class on the structure and blood supply of the kidney. In the interior you can differentiate the cortex and medulla. Better in this kidney, outer cortex, inner medulla with pyramids, and this fat filled area is the renal sinus, which contains the major calyces, minor calyces, renal pelvis. The apex of the pyramids opens into the minor calyx. This apex is the papilla, renal papilla. So you can make out the cortex and medulla. This is a specimen of two kidneys along with the aorta, inferior vena cava, ureters, urinary bladder, seminal vesicles, prostate, অনেক কিছু আছে। So I can ask you, is this a male specimen or a female specimen?
Male.
কিডনি দেখে মাথা চুল করলে হবে না, কি করে বুঝবো কিডনি দেখে মেল স্পেসিমেন না ফিমেল স্পেসিমেন? There are other things in this viscera, so you cannot scratch your head looking only at the kidneys and trying to determine whether it is male or female. So this is a slightly enlarged kidney, so don't say this is a spleen because it has the ureter attached. Site determination, anatomical position. So site determination, look at the hilum, structures in the hilum from anterior to posterior, vein, artery, ureter, VAU, renal vein, renal artery, ureter. Ureter is most posterior structure, renal vein is most anterior structure. So keeping the ureter posterior, you can hold it like this. So the anatomical position of the kidney, it is not vertical, it lies against the lateral border of the Schwann. So the axis is tilted along the lateral border of the Schwann. Also the hilum is rotated anteriorly slightly. So the hilum faces anteromedially, the long axis is oblique against the lateral border of the Schwann. So this is the anatomical position with the ureter posterior. But this can also be the anatomical position with the ureter posterior.
Side determination. This is side determination.
Side determination. So you can hold it with the ureter posteriorly like this, or you can hold it like this. Convexity to এখানেও বাইরে।
Vein, artery, ureter, you arrange upward and superior and inferior relations.
बॉर्डर ठीक थ्योरी के ব্যাপার আছে
ठीक ही बोल रहा है। Right side. Right.
Right side, if you look at the ureter, there will be kinking of the ureter if you hold it in the wrong side. The ureter তলা দিয়ে বেরোচ্ছে from the lower part of the hilum. So if you hold it like this, then the direction changes. See the ureter, there is kinking of the ureter.
Slight.
So it is like this. The ureter is going downwards. So that means this is the right kidney, not the left kidney. So if you hold it like this, the ureter is going like this. But it should not go like this, it should go straight down. So anterior surface is slightly convex, posterior surface is flat, lies against the quadratus lumborum, so it is flatter. So this is the kidney in anatomical position. Long axis oblique, hilum facing anteromedially, and side determination by using the ureter, which is most posterior and directed downwards.
সেটা বড় কেন
বড় হয়েছে
প্যাথোলজিক্যাল
প্যাথোলজিক্যাল নাও হতে পারে,
person to person to vary.
so his kidney will be probably bigger than his kidney.
চিরুর কিছু।
So this specimen, bladder, you place the bladder on the tray. Urinary bladder, apex of the urinary bladder containing the urachus, median umbilical ligament, seminal vesicles, prostate.
So prostate.
Prostate, seminal vesicles, vas deferens, ductus deferens. Ductus deferens enters the prostate, ureters enter the bladder. This is the urachus.
Mid gut, foregut, hind gut, hind gut,
Hind gut engagement.
Place the bladder on the tray. So when you place the bladder on the tray, left right হয়ে গেল, এবার শুধু এরকম এরকম ঘোরানোটা বাকি আছে।
घुमाना पड़ेगा, घुमाना पड़ेगा।
So this is posterior. Ureter is most posterior in the hilum. This kidney has a cyst. This is a renal cyst.
पैथोलॉजी
So this is the capsule of the kidney. Here you can see part of the capsule has been removed. So you can see the surface of the cortex of the kidney. This part is the fibrous capsule. So, এটা kidney হলো। And now you have to
मैं ख्याल कर दे।
do the vessels. Inferior vena cava on the right, aorta on the left, aorta dividing into common iliac arteries, common iliacs dividing into internal iliac, external iliac.
सो आईबीसी को
Inferior vena cava, aorta,
आईबीसी का काटा
आईबीसी का
काटा
मोटो आईबीसी काटा
तार काटा
तो एब्डोमिनल लेवल
ये बंद हो गया, चालू है।
inferior vena cava, aorta,
यूरेटर
inferior mesenteric artery.
अच्छा हाँ
Inferior vena cava, left renal vein passing in front of the aorta, right renal artery passing behind the inferior vena cava,
सेरेनल आर्टरी को देखो
aorta, right renal artery, left renal artery, inferior vena cava, left renal vein, right renal vein. Right renal artery passes behind the inferior vena cava, left renal vein passes in front of the aorta. Superior mesenteric artery. Left renal vein lies between the superior mesenteric artery and the aorta.
कॉम्प्लेक्स
Accessory renal artery. Extra renal artery.
15%.
In fact, so this in this specimen, the right kidney has 3 renal arteries. 1, 2, 3. 2 accessory arteries. The left kidney has 2 renal arteries. 1, 2. Normally kidneys develop in the pelvis and they ascend. Gonads develop in the abdomen and
they
descend. So when the gonads descend, they carry their blood supply with them. Testicular arteries, testicular veins. So the drainage of the gonads is into the at L1 level. So testicular arteries, ovarian arteries originate from the aorta at L1 level, and testicular or ovarian veins drain into the inferior vena cava at L1 level on the right side, on the left side into the renal vein, left renal vein. Gonadal veins drain on the left side into the left renal vein, on the right side directly into the inferior vena cava. And lymph from the testes ovaries drain into the para-aortic lymph nodes beside the abdominal aorta in front of the L1 vertebra at L1 level. Kidneys ascend, they develop in the pelvis and they ascend. So as the kidneys ascend, so in case of the gonads, they carry their blood supply and nerve supply and lymphatic drainage with them. But in case of the kidneys, what happens is that as the kidneys ascend, the lower vessels they disappear and new vessels form. So the first branches of the kidneys, arteries supplying the kidneys come from the internal iliac artery, which supplies the pelvis. Then as the kidneys ascend, new branches arise from the common iliac artery. Then as they ascend more, new branches arise from the abdominal aorta. So accessory renal arteries, what are they? They are persistent embryonic vessels. Lower vessel gulo, they have not disappeared, they remain. So these lower arteries, they are the earlier embryonic arteries. They have not disappeared, they are still present. So each of these they supply a particular area of kidney which is, so if these vessels are cut, then that part of the kidney tissue will die. There is no anastomosis. So these are the accessory or aberrant renal arteries. So the lower arteries which have not disappeared. So here also you can see the interior structure, outer cortex, inner medullary pyramids, renal sinus.
ये किसका फोन है? अनिल का।
मस्त।
So that is viscera A2P bollar.